I'm Chef Lala, and I'm going to teach you how to make real Mexican taco shells. Now, what you have to do is take some corn tortillas and heat them up. I like to use a little griddle. I know a lot of people use microwave, but I find that this actually works better for making them nice and soft. And they don't get sweaty also, because you don't want the extra water to be hitting the oil. So once they're nice and soft, I'm going to fill them. This is also a great second night meal because I took some leftover chicken. This is what we had for dinner last night. And I'm going to fill my tacos. Now, some people do secure this with a little toothpick here. But since I'm using tongs, I'm just going to secure them with the tongs when I put them in the oil. You want to make sure that the oil bubbles when you put it in. Nice and hot. Okay, and then the next one. And just hold it for a second so it doesn't open up. Or like I said, you can use a toothpick. Most people are familiar with these kind of taco shells. Now, I prefer this method because I know what kind of oil I'm using. I'm using a non-saturated oil. This doesn't have any colors, any flavorings, and I think it's a lot yummier. So I flip them over. And I'm going to start getting a paper towel ready so I could drain them. The goal here is you want to have a nice golden brown, so you want to cook them about 3 minutes on each side. You want them to be crispy on top. So I'm going to flip this one over, and it looks like they're nice and crunchy and done. Drain all that extra oil. Now, remember, if you want to have a little lighter version, you could also brush a little oil on the tortillas and bake them. But since these are real Mexican taco shells, I'm doing it the way my grandma used to do it. Shut our oil off. We're going to pat dry all that extra oil. And this is a point where you can remove your toothpick. And then you want to fill your tacos, traditionally, with a little lettuce or cabbage. Some tomatoes. This is a great way to get kids to eat the vegetables. They put their favorite toppings on them, corn, avocado. There's no rules here. It's all fun. This is Mexican cheese, and I'm going to top mine with a little salsa. I'm Chef Lala, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe for real Mexican taco shells.